Hi guys! Welcome to our video on the top 5 best laptops of 2025. Dashcams provide security and evidence on the road by recording your drives. Key features to consider include video resolution, night vision, wide-angle lens, and loop recording. Advanced options offer GPS tracking and parking monitoring. Choose one based on your budget, driving needs, and desired level of protection. So, let's get started. Number 5. 70Mi A800S 4K Dashcam. The 4K Dashcam is a high-performance car DVR that combines advanced features with exceptional video quality for optimal vehicle monitoring. 4K Ultra HD resolution. The A800S records stunningly clear 4K UHD video, 3840 by 2160, using a Sony IMX415 sensor, ensuring crucial details like license plates and road signs are captured with precision. 140 degrees wide field of view. The 140 degrees FOV lens covers a broad area, minimizing blind spots and offering comprehensive road surveillance. Built-in GPS and ADS. The integrated GPS logger tracks location and speed in real time. Additionally, the Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADS, provides safety alerts to prevent potential collisions and lane departure. Night vision excellence. Equipped with wide dynamic range, WDR, and a high-quality sensor, the dashcam ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. 24-hour parking monitor. The camera activates automatically with motion or impact detection, protecting your vehicle while parked. A dedicated power source or battery pack is required for this feature. Expandable features. Supports an optional rear camera with 1080p resolution, enhancing overall coverage for both front and rear perspectives. Loop recording and G-sensor. Continuous recording is supported via loop cycle recording, with the G-sensor automatically locking critical footage during impacts. User-friendly design. LCD display for real-time viewing. Portable and easy to install with a compact build. Wi-Fi compatibility for seamless file transfers and app control. Specifications and warranty. Operating temperature, -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Battery, built-in 500 mAh. External memory, supports up to 128 GB Class 10 SD cards. Warranty, backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. With its 4K clarity, intelligent features, and robust design, the 70Mi A800's dashcam offers dependable vehicle protection and recording capabilities. The next is Number 4. AZDOME M550 Max 4K Dashcam. The 4K Dashcam is a cutting-edge car DVR that ensures superior video recording, robust durability, and an array of features designed for optimal road safety and monitoring. 4K Ultra HD recording. Powered by a Sony IMX307 sensor, the M550 Max records crisp 4K video in H.264 format, capturing fine details like license plates and road signs. Triple lens system with rear camera. Equipped with 3 lenses, including a rear camera, this dashcam provides comprehensive front, interior, and rear monitoring with a 150 degrees wide-angle view. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi. The integrated GPS logger offers accurate real-time tracking of location and speed, while the Wi-Fi feature allows seamless video transfer and device control through the AZDOME app. Night vision excellence. Featuring wide dynamic range, WDR, and a Sony IMX307 sensor, the M550 Max delivers exceptional clarity in low light or nighttime conditions. Super capacitor durability. Built to withstand extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, the super capacitor ensures reliable performance in challenging weather conditions. 24-hour parking monitor. With motion detection and a G-sensor, the dashcam activates recording during parking incidents for all-around protection. Additional features: loop recording for continuous video capture, voice control for hands-free operation, anti-vibration technology to ensure stable footage, multi-language support including English, French, Russian, and more. Compact and hidden design. Its hidden assembly mode blends seamlessly into the car's interior, ensuring discreet surveillance. Package and warranty. The M550 Max comes with a 64 GB TF card, charger, crowbar, and cable. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it supports expandable memory up to 512 GB for extended use. The AZDOME M550 Max combines advanced technology, durability, and comprehensive surveillance, making it a reliable companion for every journey. The next is Number 3. Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K dashcam. The dashcam is a premium triple-channel dash camera that offers all-around protection and unmatched versatility. Whether you're a daily commuter or rideshare driver, its advanced features ensure peace of mind on the road. 3-way triple-channel coverage. The N4 captures footage from the front 155 degrees, rear 160 degrees, and inside cabin 165 degrees, simultaneously at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p resolution, offering comprehensive protection from potential accidents or liabilities. 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording. For dual-channel use, the front camera records in 4K 2160p, while the rear records at 1080p. The rear camera's 360 degrees adjustability and a 20 feet extension cable ensure compatibility with various vehicle types, including SUVs and trucks. High-resolution interior recording. Configuring for front and cabin dual recording provides 1440p plus 1440p resolution, perfect for rideshare drivers. The adjustable cabin camera delivers flexibility for capturing activities inside the vehicle. Infrared night vision. Powered by the Sony Starvis CMOS sensor with f1, 4, and f1. 8 lenses and 4 IR LEDs, the N4 excels in low-light conditions, capturing clear footage inside and outside the vehicle even in total darkness. 24-hour parking mode. With options like low bitrate recording, motion detection, and collision detection, the N4 provides constant surveillance. Requires hardwire kit or external battery. Durable supercapacitor. Built for extreme weather, the supercapacitor withstands temperatures from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliability in hot or cold conditions. Accident detection and GPS. The G sensor locks critical footage during impacts, while loop recording ensures uninterrupted storage. Optional GPS tracks routes, locations, and speeds. Expandable storage and warranty. Compatible with up to 256 GB memory, the N4 includes an 18-month warranty, firmware updates, and responsive customer support. The Vantrue N4 dashcam is an all-in-one solution for safety-conscious drivers seeking unmatched video quality and reliability. The next is Number 2. VIOFO, a 229 Pro 4K HDR dashcam. The dashcam delivers cutting-edge technology for unparalleled video quality and comprehensive vehicle monitoring. With its Sony Starvis 2 sensors, 4K HDR imaging, and advanced features, this dashcam is a must-have for safety-conscious drivers, including families and rideshare operators. Triple-channel recording. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 and IMX675 sensors, the A229 Pro supports 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p cabin recording, ensuring crisp, cinematic image quality. License plates and fine details are effortlessly captured in all lighting conditions. HDR and Night Vision 2.0. HDR technology harmonizes highlights and shadows, delivering sharp images even at high speeds or in low light. The night vision ensures clear footage, enhancing safety during nighttime driving. Infrared cabin recording. The cabin camera with HDR and infrared lights captures sharp details in total darkness, making it ideal for rideshare drivers seeking complete interior monitoring. Hands-free voice control. Enjoy safe driving with 12 voice commands to manage functions like photo capture, video locking, and Wi-Fi activation without distraction. 24/7 parking protection. The A229 Pro offers 3 parking modes: auto event detection, low bitrate, and time-lapse, ensuring round-the-clock monitoring with pre- and post-event recording capabilities. Faster connectivity and anti-glare CPL. The 5GHz Wi-Fi provides seamless video sharing and configuration. The included CPL lens minimizes glare for improved image quality. Advanced GPS logger. The quad-mode GPS ensures precise vehicle location, speed, and timestamps, accessible via the VIOFO app or PC. Emergency lock and loop recording. Automatic loop recording ensures storage efficiency, while the G sensor locks critical footage during collisions. The VIOFO A229 Pro combines superior imaging and smart features, making it an ideal companion for modern driving. The next is Number 1. WOLFBOX G900 Pro Dashcam. The dashcam is a cutting-edge solution for drivers seeking enhanced safety, convenience, and superior video quality. Featuring state-of-the-art technology, it provides unparalleled clarity and advanced connectivity for a seamless driving experience. Unmatched video resolution. Equipped with an 8MP IMX678 sensor and a 1x1.8 enhanced low-light sensitivity, the G900 Pro delivers exceptional 4K resolution for the front camera and 5K for the rear. This ensures crystal-clear footage, even in low-light conditions, capturing every detail of your journey. Next-gen connectivity. The 5G Wi-Fi technology offers ultra-fast wireless connectivity, enabling quick downloads and effortless sharing of video recordings directly to your smartphone or other devices. Voice control. Hands-free operation becomes a reality with intelligent voice commands. Control essential functions such as video recording, taking snapshots, and adjusting settings without taking your hands off the wheel. Dual-channel recording. Simultaneous front and rear camera recording provides comprehensive coverage, ensuring that all angles of your vehicle are captured for added security and peace of mind. Intelligent streaming mirror design. The sleek and innovative streaming mirror design integrates seamlessly into your vehicle, replacing traditional rear-view mirrors with a high-definition touchscreen interface for real-time viewing and control. Built-in GPS. Track your location and driving routes with precision. The GPS functionality overlays speed and coordinates onto your video footage for added utility in emergencies or insurance claims. The WOLFBOX G900 Pro Dashcam combines cutting-edge imaging with intelligent features to deliver an unmatched driving experience. Its combination of 4K clarity, 5G Wi-Fi, and voice control redefines dashcam technology, making it an ideal choice for modern drivers prioritizing safety and innovation. So this is the best option for you to buy.